In this video, we're going to learn how to get started with EasyReader app. EasyReader app connects to a range of accessible books and newspaper services around the world. This includes Bookshare in the US, RNIB Bookshare in the UK, Sealer in Canada, and many other services around the world. The app is free to download from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Amazon App Store, and the Dolphin website if you're using a computer. The app is free to download and free to use, and you can get started right away. Once you have opened EasyReader app, you can use a side menu to sign into your accessible book or newspaper service and choose from millions of accessible titles.
The Circus Boys on the Flying Rings.
If your library does not appear in the side menu, choose the Manage Libraries option to enable it. You can also sign into EasyReader app to purchase an EasyReader personal plan or education plan to benefit from a range of premium features. Find out more about EasyReader app by visiting yourdolphin.com/EasyReader. EasyReader, open a world of accessible books.